The 2026 BMW R1300R marks a significant evolution in BMW's roadster lineup, replacing the R1250R with a host of new features and a more dynamic character. At its heart lies a newly designed 1300cc boxer engine, the most powerful ever produced by BMW, generating a claimed 143.5 horsepower at 7,750 rpm and 149 Nm of torque at 6,500 rpm. This increase in power and torque promises a more engaging and responsive riding experience across the rev range. The engine is now paired with a 6-speed gearbox positioned beneath it, contributing to a more compact overall design and improved weight balance. Beyond the engine, the R1300R features a completely redesigned chassis. A new sheet metal steel main frame and a die-cast aluminum rear frame replace the previous tubular steel structure. The suspension also sees significant updates. The standard model features an inverted telescopic fork, while the performance variant boasts dynamic suspension adjustment (DSA), with electronic control of damping, spring rate, and even automatic load compensation, a first for a series production motorcycle with an inverted fork. The styling of the R1300R is a departure from its predecessor, adopting a sharper and more aggressive aesthetic. A distinctive new headlight design, layered radiator shrouds, and a sleek tail section contribute to a more modern and dynamic appearance. Technological advancements are a key highlight of the 2026 R1300R. Standard features include a 6.5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, full LED lighting, and integral ABS Pro. Optional features further enhance the riding experience, including the automated shift assistant for clutchless shifting, dynamic ESA, lean-sensitive engine drag torque control, and even radar-based active cruise control and front collision warning. Riders can also personalize their R1300R with various riding modes, including Rain, Road, Eco, and optional Dynamic and Dynamic Pro. The 2026 BMW R1300R is available in 4 distinct variants: the base model Snapper Rocks Blue, the stylish Exclusive, the performance-oriented Performance, and the high-end option 719 kWh with milled accessories. In summary, the 2026 BMW R1300R represents a significant step forward for BMW's Roadster. Its more powerful engine, redesigned chassis with advanced suspension technology, sharper styling, and comprehensive suite of electronic aids contribute to a more dynamic and engaging riding experience.